Hello and welcome to Introducing the Researcher Homepage, a video produced by the University of Alberta Research Services Office. This video will show you how to use the Researcher Homepage, a PeoplesSoft self-service online grant management tool. It allows you to view awarded projects and pending applications or approvals. How to log into the Researcher Homepage. You can log in from the Research Services Office main page. You will need your CCID and password to log in. When the Self-Service Center page appears, go to the General Inquiries section and click on Researcher Homepage. In this demonstration video, you will also see the RSO homepage, which you normally would not see. When a PI logs in, a list of the PI's projects and proposals will appear automatically. PIs and faculty or department administrators do not require authorization to view projects and proposals. Other administrators who work directly with PIs must request approval from the PI and the department authorized approver in order to see specific projects. The request is sent to IST. Please note, to view proposals, administrators must request authorization from the PI, but the request must be sent to the RSO. There are two key sections on the Researcher homepage. One is Projects, the other is Proposals. How to use the Projects section. The Researcher homepage gives you basic information about your project. Project ID, award end date, total amount of award, funds before and after commitments, speed code. Clicking the download icon here downloads an entire list of projects to an Excel spreadsheet. Life cycle of a grant. If you submit a request for a subgrant, amendment, or over-expenditure authorization, you can check on the status of your request by clicking on the Grant Lifecycle icon. You can view attachments such as advice notices, signed applications, and other documents tied to the project by clicking on the paperclip icon. To generate a financial overview, you click on the Project ID link. Whenever you are in the Researcher homepage, do not use the Browser's Back button. Use the Return To button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Make sure your pop-up blocker is off. You can view a printable version of this page by clicking here. You can change the reporting period by clicking here. You can use this report to reconcile your project account. How to use the Proposal section. At the Proposal section, you will see proposals at various stages of development. At the application review stage, contact your research facilitator for updates. Your successful application can be tracked by clicking on the Grants Lifecycle icon. If you have questions about the award processing, please contact the person named here. RSO can only update the status waiting for sponsor decision upon receiving notice of decision from sponsors or PIs. Please let your research facilitator know of any non-tri-agency competition results. It is possible to download a list of proposals to an Excel spreadsheet. You can sort the columns by clicking on the column headings. You can learn how to use the Create Proposal link by watching another RSO video in this series. Thank you for your time and participation. We hope you find this useful. If you have any questions, please contact the Research Services Office.